Hello again, Gary Pia here with another principle every investor should know. The Golden Gate Bridge of San Francisco is one of the most beautiful and iconic bridges of the world. It's also a great way to think about retirement. From the hustle and bustle of the city, work, to the calm rolling hills of retirement. But first you have to cross the bridge. Seems easy enough. But what if they remove the guardrails? Where would you drive? Along the edges where you might risk dropping off over the side and plummeting into the waters below? Or right down the middle? When it comes to your retirement portfolio, you drive right down the middle of the bridge with a diversified portfolio of thousands of companies from around the world. The less diversified you are, the closer it puts you to the edge of the bridge. Sure, you might generate higher returns, but it also puts you at risk of substantial losses. With a globally diversified portfolio, you will never be the single best performer in any given time period, but you will have fewer reasons to worry about poor performance from any single asset class. And that will put your portfolio in the center of the bridge as you head to and through retirement. For most of us, whether crossing a bridge or investing for retirement, we want to take a safer path. Our future is too important to risk. So the principle is, unnecessary risks are unnecessary.